Just look at how juicy these twists are looking. I'm in love. Have you been wondering the best hairstyle for you to make this summer? Because it's sunny, you get very sweaty, and then your hair becomes a bother all the time. This is the best hairstyle for you to make during the summer. This is my kinky twists. It's supposed to be medium size, but her hair is a bit thin, so I decided to make them smaller in front, and she's aware of that. For those of you who'd like to come for me saying, oh, I see that the sizes are different, that was exactly what she wanted, and that was what we did. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. If this is your first time here, you're most welcome. I do hair videos, makeup videos, and vlogs. And if you're a returning subscriber or friend, hi to you again, nice seeing you. This video was actually shot last year, that was 2023, the early months of 2023, and I didn't have time to edit it and post as at the time I did. I shot the video due to different things. If you can notice in the photo, I was actually pregnant at that time, and now my son is 1 year plus old. So yeah, it's been a while and I completely forgot about this video. I just was deleting stuff in my phone and I came across it. I was like, oh, I still have this here, and then I found a couple of other videos, so I'll be posting them until I'm done before I would like post something else. So I have like 2 or 3 more hair videos to post for you guys. Thanks be to God. So when it comes to summertime and braids or hairstyles generally, I usually like to recommend 2 hairstyles. Number 1 is the kinky twist or the Marley twist. Some people confuse both of them because the Marley twist hair is a little bit more straightened and pre-sectioned, but the kinky hair is a little bit more coily. So this is kinky. It has like tiny coils to it, and by the time you're done braiding, it has this bouncy kind of feel or outcome to it, and the coils are tighter. But Marley hair is kind of a little, is more like Afro kinky kinda. I don't know how to explain it, but if you check my shorts, you will see a video I uploaded of like a 1B27 hair. Maybe I'll pop it up on the screen here somewhere so you can see. That is Marley hair and this is kinky hair. I recommend this because it is very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It is water resistant. It doesn't soak water or retain water at all, which makes it easy for you to go around swimming, to wash it as many times as you want and can. And the older it gets, the better it looks. And another very good reason why I would like to recommend this hair is because it's very affordable and you don't need so many packs. Usually for a full head of twists, you need about 2 packs maximum. If you use more than 2 packs, it will be just a little bit more, and that depends on how thick you want the twists to be or how long. If you have to like add the length at some point, if you were not able to get the exact length you were looking for, yeah, that's a different story altogether. But usually I use 2 packs at most, or 1 pack and a half, something around that, for this particular kinky twist. So for the Marley twist, usually it comes pre-sectioned already, and if you're using one of the sections, it's like a medium-sized braid or twist. For the picture I showed earlier with the 1B27, I used 2 of the sections for 1 twist. Like 1 braid has 2 strands, if you understand what I mean. I don't know how else to explain, like two section strands. Now, the second hairstyle I would like to recommend for you to make during the summer would be locks. You can decide to do like butterfly locks or just regular locks, but using this kinky or Marley hair. I always recommend the Marley hair because of its water resistance. It's very good during the summer. You sweat a lot, so you would really love to wash your hair all the time. You would also love to go into the water to cool off, go swimming, go to the beach, and it can air dry almost faster than your natural hair would air dry. Like, it is very lightweight, it's just the best. So I would suggest, if you're doing like butterfly locks or just regular locks, special locks, you use the kinky or the Marley hair to do your locks. Don't use the synthetic the like shiny silky synthetic hair that is very dense. No, those types are usually very weighty. They absorb a lot of water. They feel like the regular braiding hair, so it holds a lot of water and it tends to smell with time if you let water get into it, and looks very frizzy. And once it's frizzy, it doesn't look nice as the kinky hair. So that's my second recommendation. And the last and ultimate recommendation I have is braiding or twisting your natural hair. If you have long hair or like an afro kind of hair, you can do mini twists or you can do mini braids, or just irregular updo with twists at the ends, and something really fancy that can allow you wash your hair when you have to. You'll be easy to dry and it will be easy to take it out and do it again, instead of spending a lot of money to do regular braids and you have to complain about, oh, the weather is hot, blah 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 blah, it's discomforting, it's expensive, you have to do it like up to twice during the summer. But some people make just one style and hold it throughout the summer, which I don't advise, because the summer is a long time. That's 3 months. I really don't know why anyone should hold their braids for up to 3 months. Even I am guilty of that sometimes, but anyway, that's besides the point. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you again.